so bongo.
Would I there na the bar? Money man don't call na the bar. Eh, would I there na the bar? Diamond boy don't drop na the bar. Would I there na the bar? Money man.
Hi team Fullest, this is again AMIFULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to op mijn kanaal. So today I'm here to do another AliExpress hair unboxing for you guys. My last video that I did, the quality was really bad, but I needed to get that video out, so that's the reason why. Excuse more. So today I'm here to do another unboxing, another AliExpress. So this package came by the TeamFullest. Yeah, that's the TeamFullest. So this is how the package came in. I've already opened it to see what is in here. So I get a curly wig, but this time I got colorful hair, like something curly like this one, but colorful. Actually, I got the wrong measurement because I wanted the 13x4, but I accidentally choose a different one. And so I thought, you know what, let me just keep it. So the hair came in this bag. This is the hair company where I get the hair from, and this is how many? This is 28 inches. 28 inches. This is the highlights. It's a highlight wig highlights 430 body wave, 430 body wave. So this is 28 inches. Yeah, this is 28 inches. So this is what the wig is looking like. This is colorful. This is gold, black. This is beautiful. You guys see that body wave, that body color? It's so beautiful. It smells ridiculous. But this time I'm not going to wash it. I'm not gonna wash it because I don't want to lose the curl that is on the hair. So I'm just going to buy some hairspray and spray it to get rid of that smell. I first want to wear it with a color like this, and then later on maybe I'll wash it. But this is what the wig is looking like. As you guys can see, it is 28 inches long. It is very beautiful. It's really nice. I love it. It's really nice. The only thing that I don't like about this wig, I wanted 13x4, but I end up getting, I don't know even how to call what shape, what is this. So I have only one part, which of course is not bad because I don't mind having one part. And then I have a little bit of lace at the front, which of course is not that much, but it's okay. Maybe in the future, not now, I will buy the same hair again, but 13x4, maybe a little bit shorter, maybe not too long anymore, but a little bit shorter, maybe like 20 inches, maybe. I'm not too sure. First, I'm going to wear this one and see and experiment with it and see how it looks. But so far, so good. I'm really loving it. So it comes with 3 combs. You have one hair, and one at the back. And also what I love about it also comes with its own adjustable elastic band. So I don't need to sew any elastic band into this hair anymore. This wig was pretty expensive. Let me look and tell you guys how much it cost. Go to AliExpress. I have now so many wigs from AliExpress that I have one curly wig that is on its way coming, which is a little bit shorter. And so after that wig come, I'm gonna, you know, use the ones that I have now. I have like different type of wig that I really like. So I feel like after that one come, your girl is not going to be buying wig maybe not anytime soon, you know, because I do have some few ones that I can actually, you know, rotate and also with my natural hair. But honestly speaking, since I have been buying wig and I haven't really done a lot with my natural hair, I have just like do some braiding all back, put wig on, leave my hair to rest, and that has been really good, not gonna lie. It has been really helping me to just leave my hair to rest I have so many things. So I picked this hair up. This is 28 inches. I picked this up for, ooh, this is expensive. You guys wanna know? I picked this up for 180 euros. Yep, 180 euros. I picked this up. It is beautiful. The color, the highlight is beautiful. You guys know I have a highlight wig, a bob highlighter similar to this color, but it's straight, and I love that wig. It's so beautiful on me. People like it. Like my wife, when I said my wife, I mean my brother's wife. This is her kind of type of hair. When I buy the short wig, and she was like, oh, it looks so nice on you, it looks so beautiful. And then I decided to give this one a try as well. She was like, this is her color. I'm more into black. For me, if it's just me and me alone, I love black hair, simple black. That's just me. But you know, as I'm getting older, you want to get out of your comfort zone and just try different things. So I decided to add one more light color into my hair, and I really love this. It is pretty expensive, you know, it's really expensive, but I love it. It is very beautiful. It's very nice, very nice. I love the curls. It's super nice, and it also have extra elastic band here in case you want to extra protection. I love when I buy a wig and it does have like extra elastic band, or I can also put my own, because I feel like even though you're gonna lace it at the front, but just to have that extra protection, it's just the best. So I'm very happy that this one comes with extra protection. And how much density is this hair? I have to go through my phone again. My phone gets closed very quickly, and every time I have to put password. So this is 180 density. 180. So because I wanted something thicker, something fuller, so that's the reason why I go for 180. It is very beautiful. It is very nice. I really love it. It's so beautiful. It's really nice. So yeah, another wig. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys are interested in this kind, if you guys are interested, let me know, and I'll also leave the link for you guys in the comments box if you are interested. Or you can also follow me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is in the description box, and I'll send you guys a link on WhatsApp, because this video is not sponsored. I pay for this for myself. It's not sponsored. I buy this hair myself. So yeah, you know, we just love the shipping process was very fast. The lady was very she was so nice, and I also got some extra cap. I wish that they would send me the dark brown cap, but this is okay. I also get the extra cap, and I also got eyelashes, which is this is way too long. It's not my kind of lashes. And I also get the hair bag to put the hair. And yeah, so guys, this is it. This is what the front is looking like. You don't have a lot of space, but you can definitely walk with it. So this is what it's looking like, and this is what the wig is looking like. So now I'm just going to hang this one so that fresh hair can go through it, and I don't need to wash it, so I can have that beautiful bouncy wave. I don't want to mess this up. It looks so beautiful. So TeamFullest, hopefully you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. If you are interested, let me know. And this is also another AliExpress wig that I'm wearing. I'm really loving it. These days I've just been changing from one wig to another. My hair is braided all back, and it's just so easy, very beautiful, quick and go. I'm here for it. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box, and I will see you guys soon. TeamFullest, peace out. Bye. Doeg.